Tauni here, and today I'm going to talk to you about social media currency and how to make sure you are showing up in your friends and followers' newsfeed on Facebook. So the thing about Facebook is there's an algorithm, and it makes it kind of complicated for you to be seen in your friends' profiles. I want to help you guys know how to get response to the things that you post, to have success with your posts rather than low engagement. The best way to explain that is like currency. You have so much social media currency that you get to spend that you want to make sure you spend that currency wisely. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to talk about your personal profile. You want the things you post on your personal profile to be things that aren't all about your business, whether it be senegence, lip syncs, or if you're in a different business, you don't want all the things on your personal profile to be about your business. You only want a select few posts to be about your product. Next, did you know that people can hide you and hide the things that you're posting so that they never see anything you post, and you don't want that to happen? We all know people who post all about their products or all about the things they're selling. For me, people who are really negative or are always posting controversial things, I hide them and I don't want to see what they're posting anymore. So make sure that the things you're posting aren't all about selling and they're not also always negative, because that will be the first way to have people hide you from their feed and not be seen at all. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the things to avoid. These are the few things that you want to avoid doing to make it so that you are seen and your social media currency is being spent wisely. I said one, don't post all about lip syncs. It can be a part of what you post, but not all. If you share memes or articles or repost things from certain pages and you notice that there's not a lot of engagement, no one comments on them, no one likes them or interacts, then I would probably stop posting things like that. If you do post memes or you post things and you get a ton of engagement, obviously keep doing that. But if you find that you're resharing something or you're posting articles, news articles, whatever it is, and you aren't getting engagement, then you probably want to stop posting things about that. If you repost a page daily, like say there's like a motivational speaker who posts awesome quotes every day, or there's like a Facebook page that you follow and you're reposting every single day, that's probably not a good idea, because if people wanted to see that every day, they would just go to that page and like it themselves and be able to see it. So those are a few things to avoid. And just remember that we engage on social media on a value-based system. So think about what brings value to your life. What can you add of value to your followers or your friends or family's life? So with that being said, you want to post things of value. For me, the things that add value to my life, things that I love, are my family, my kids, going on trips, and that's what I want to see on my friends' page as well. Is I want to see pictures of their kids, pictures of them being happy, quotes. I love motivational quotes, so if they find a quote here and there, I love seeing those sort of things. So think about what your followers want to see and what will bring value to their life, and then you're going to want to post things like that, being true to yourself as well, but you want it to be valuable. I'm going to talk about a few things how to spend your currency wisely. You want to post things that you see your circle finding value in. I'm saying value a lot, but it's so true. Social media is all about value, posting things of value, and having people value what you post. So if you're involved in politics, you're, a political person, or people come to you for political advice, or people like to hear what you have to say about politics, then for sure post about politics. Like if people want to know your opinion about politics, then I highly recommend you post about that, because people value your opinion on that. But if whenever you post about politics, it's always causes a debate or people start arguing, then I probably wouldn't be posting about politics anymore, because you don't want that sort of negativity on your page. So like I said, if you're in politics and people value your opinion on politics, then for sure post about it. For me, like I'm a mom, my friends family, whoever my circle is, they want to see what I do as a mom, all of those things. So I post about my family, my life, feelings, how I'm feeling. I try to be real and share all the ups and downs. And I'm not meaning like simple downs, like having a bad day today and complaining. But everyone struggles, everyone has problems, and you want to be transparent and share with your followers what they want to see. So post about you and your family and who you are and what you love. And the main thing is there's no like system that will work for everyone, but the main thing that you want to remember is what you post is going to depend on who you're friends with. If your friends love politics, if they love funny memes, if they love kids, if they love animals, your post will depend on who follows you. So remember that. It's not going to be the same for everyone. So even if you love someone's page, some person in the business who's super high up, if you love her page, if you go and try to do exactly what she's doing, that might not be what your friends want to see. That could be what her friends want to see, but not necessarily what your friends want to see. So be sure you're staying true to yourself. And try to understand why people follow you. Maybe ask your closest family and friends, like, why do you follow me? What do I post that you love? And try to understand that. So if you're watching this video thinking, I have no engagement, no one interacts, no one sees my stuff, what do I do now? Then I'm gonna help you. You can fix it. It's not too late. It's not like once people stop seeing your stuff, like you're out of luck. The main thing that you can do now is engage with your friends first. So you scroll and you start interacting with your friends. Things that you like, make sure that you're just not a silent scroller. I always tell my husband this, like all those people on Facebook who are silent scrollers, they just scroll, scroll, scroll. No one sees their stuff because they're never commenting or saying what they like. So if you have a friend that you like or a prospect that you know might be interested in joining, then make sure that you are commenting on their stuff as well. Don't just comment random things. Make sure it's like relevant to what they posted. Like it, go interact, and make it an effort every single day to interact with people on the things that they're posting. You want it to be positive, no debates. I already said that before. You don't want to be fighting or debating or drama. When you regularly interact, people are going to see you more. You're going to show up even more. And there's a difference between expressing yourself and making noise. Make sure that, I know you want to express yourself and you want to say your opinion, but don't just make noise on social media. No one wants to see fighting or arguing. There's nothing good that comes from that on social media. So be sure you're expressing yourself, but not making noise. And you can boost your reach by taking sincere interest in other people's lives and creating relationships consistently. The main thing you want to remember is to be consistent and to practice these things every single day. Don't just do it today and then not do it tomorrow. Post consistently, interact consistently, and post things of value. So the main things that I can tell you about social media currency is you want it to be valuable, you want to spend it wisely, and you want to really know why your people are following you. So I hope this helps a little bit. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to just comment them below on this video and I can help you. I can give you some tips. Just be true to who you are and spend your currency wisely. Have a great day.